Hello, I'm inviting you to join my upcoming movement medicine weekend workshop called Reclaim. And it's gonna happen here in Aljezur, Portugal, South Portugal, on the 23rd till the 25th of June this month, so very soon. We have a beautiful group taking shape, and I would love to welcome you here, which is a whole weekend to go deep within using techniques, tools of movement medicine, of psychotherapeutical practices, tantra and emotional release, ritual, shamanism, to work and go deep into the medicine of our moving hearts, our dancing hearts. Establishing the safety and the ground in our own bodies so we can access the places that really need tending right now, to really meet the edges, the places that maybe felt wounded, that bring a lot of emotions, or just for yourself to feel held and supported for what is moving in you right now in the life. Maybe something challenging, maybe something that you feel that will put you in the next level of your path, of your journey. Maybe where you feel some energy has been stuck, not moving through. Maybe that you know the story already, but you know there's actually like, why is this not moving? And we're gonna address that. We're gonna go to those places so we can meet them and reclaim the fire in there, reclaim the gold, the medicine that is in there, back to your own self, back to your own life. Tending the path, meeting the edges, working with the energy, seeing what's behind the stories, to meet really in the body what is there, so we can move through, and also in the vulnerability of our hearts and what is needed, what is ready to be spoken, to be let go of, to be felt, so we can stand in our center, to welcome ourselves fully in the joy of the space that is left for us to create and for us to invite what we really desire in our hearts. Not just a fluffy wish, but bringing now our energy that we reclaimed, to meet that and be able to experience it, to live it, and to give it shape. So if you feel a call, if you feel a resonance, if you feel a wish to know more, get in touch. And I look forward to see you soon.